nothing to help. Watch me one by one.
Hey guys, so I know this is a different camera angle because I have my tripod set up. So this will probably be a different kind of angle. So there might be a black box, but I apologize for that. So today I thought it'd be fun to make some paper squishies for Easter. That's coming up in a few days. Well, it's this weekend actually. And I know that we're all kind of bored in quarantine if you're in it. So I figured this would be really fun to do. And paper squishies have been kind of trending around lately. I don't know how much anymore, but actually, yeah, still a bit. But I made some back in like February. They're kind of a big thing on TikTok right now. So mine are not that great, but I figured this might be fun. So I could show you some of my other ones that I made. I've made like this Mars bar. I've made an ice cream. They're pretty good, I guess. I've made this. This is Squeakers, if you don't know. He's right there on my bed. But anyway, I made like a Hello Kitty and a cat. And just some other random things. Snapchat emoji. You get it. So I figured I could make some ones for Easter, and that's really exciting because Easter is coming up. So I figured maybe we could do an egg because it is Easter. So first thing we're going to do is fold. So we will fold the paper in half. Looks pretty well folded to me. And then I believe we will do it right here, which is kind of interesting. But we don't really want to do it right here because we don't want the egg to be too flat, so I'll see. So I'm kind of working on the egg shape because I don't want it to be too weird. I think that's decent. It's kind of a little round, but we'll see. So I think I'm going to go with this, and I think the perfect thing to do would be to put some designs on it, so I'll do that. So I think we'll do some little blue lines on it. Welcome to crafting. That's okay. But then maybe I think we could do some little flowers on it. A different angle. There we go. That's kind of cute. And we could maybe do like some little yellow dots on it. I think that's a decent egg. So I think we're going to cut this out. So now I think we're going to cut this one out. So you can't really see, but that's okay. Ooh, this is pretty good. At the bottom, it's kind of so we'll just kind of trim it up here. There we go. Here's our egg. And now we're gonna get the tape. I actually figured that I should probably do something on the back. So I think I will. So I think I'll just do the same thing. 3, 4, and I think there was one more, 5. And then we'll probably do some flowers. And then some yellow dots. Now I think we're gonna line them up. So, here's the front of my egg, and here's the back. And we're gonna start taping it. And I am not very good at this, so don't judge there. So I think we'll start. Oh, there's hair on it. That's great. I love hair. There we go. Okay, that didn't exactly seal. Oh, I realized I'm not on camera. Oh, I think I need another one at the bottom. We don't want any of our stuffing falling out, which you'll see. We'll cut off the extra tape because I don't really care for that. There we go. Now we can start to put some stuffing in there. Tape it up a bit more there. And on the bottom. Cut that off. Welcome to Bad Crafts. Goodness. Oh. There we go. So here it is in the egg. And now get some more of the balls and put them in. And we'll start to seal up the sides. I think we'll start with another piece of tape. Oh. There we go. It's already starting to look good. Get some more. And I still need to do the back, but this is not bad. Ooh, notification. There we go. We'll probably get another piece of tape and put it over. And then you want to fold it over here because if not, then it'll get messed up. So we're taking this. This has always worked. And so it's starting to get full all the way. Oh, one of my little balls fell out. Oh, and I think we'll need one more. And that's pretty full. Now we gotta tape the sides together. So we'll go over and see where we still need to tape. Oh, we got the tape stuck. Press it down. The egg is coming together. It's pretty cute. Yes, I know everything just came out. Which isn't great, but it's fine. There we go. Oh. I'm definitely going to have to go over this. So I sewed it up and did the back. So here is the egg squishy. So the next one I'm doing is a bunny. So I already started it and coloring it because I don't want this video to be too long and boring. So I'm just going to color it and make it look as cute as possible. Maybe go over the eyes in black. There we go. And then there we go. So we've got our cute bunny and now we're gonna cut it out. So this one might be kind of hard because it's got ears. So I got it all cut out and now I'm gonna figure out how to do this. I'm gonna start to tape the bottom. It's always a good way to start it. And then fold it over at the bottom and fold the sides in. And then flip it up this way and do the same. There we go. And then you start making the pocket. And then it's easy to do a second one and then start putting it in. So like this. And now you can get some stuffing. So I'm going to start by putting the little balls in there. And get it to the bottom to make sure it's not ripping anywhere. There we go. Put the second one in. It's working. It's just the ears are going to be tough. And maybe a couple more. There we go, and I think we can do another layer of tape. So I mainly finished the head. We're just going to do a little bit more. There you go, so I think the head is good. Now I just got to do the ears. So I finished the head, now I just have to do the ears. So I think I'm going to do them the same way. I'm just going to start with some tape and line it up and wrap it around to make the first little pocket. So I've got almost the first ear fully stuffed, and I think I just need to tape it now. Here we go, I got the first ear of the bunny and the head all stuffed. Now I just got to do the second one. So I just finished taping up the bunny and it's actually really cute and I really like it. So we're going to do one more. So the last one we're going to do is kind of like a chicken duck thing, so I'm going to color this. So this one isn't really great. I want to do something a bit better, but I think this is okay. These markers are okay too. There we go, that's great. So we're going to cut out this one. So I got the little duck cut out, and I'll probably color the back just yellow. So I did the back of it, and now we're just going to start taping it at the bottom. So I just finished the last part of the duck, and it's really cute. So that's going to be the end of this video of making Easter paper squishies. So thanks for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and comment if you can, and we'll see you later. Bye!